Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. You know, it never hurts to give yourself that extra little bit of home security. Well, for Mother's Day, our kids got Dawn a Ring Doorbell Pro 2. And today I am going to install it for her. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. All right, so we already have a wired doorbell, and this Ring Doorbell Pro 2 can only be wired, but it does have a device on it that you attach to the doorbell chime, so that when you activate the doorbell portion of the device, it will activate the chime. So I'm going to put that on first, but before I do that, I'm going to turn off the power. Safety first. All right, so now that the power is off, one of the easiest ways to make sure that it is in fact off and that there's no residual power in your doorbell, you just simply ring it and there's no chime, so we're good to go. Okay, so there's two terminals here. There's a trans and a front terminal. I literally just have to unscrew these and put each one of the wires on each one of those. The trick though is, here's the chime right here, and it's on the bottom and the top, so you can't have anything touching that, but you do need to have this sit inside of there, and that's probably the biggest trick, is trying to find room for this device. All right, that was easy. Now they do provide a small adhesive patch back here that if you need to stick it to anything to keep it from falling out, but I think I'm gonna try to wedge mine just over here to the left here. So that actually looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna try to leave it like that. I am not in the way of my chime activator there. I got room there. So let's try to put the cover back on. Voila. All right, so now it's just simply removing this doorbell and installing the new Ring doorbell. All right, so it looks like we have plenty of wire coming out, but the kit does come with wire extensions if you need it. So in order to mount the new Ring doorbell, you just put your thumbs on the center right here, and you just kind of hold the edges like that. And then if you press, it'll just pop right out. So this is what we're actually mounting. These are the screw holes here, and this is the cover. And I believe they have different color covers. All right, there we go. So now we just have to mount it on. All right, well, that looks good. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a QR code here that you need to scan. It also comes with a QR code with the directions. So you don't have to necessarily scan it directly off of here. But before we scan the QR code and go through the settings on the app, we're going to turn the power on and make sure that everything works. All right, so the power's back on. Dawn is going to download the Ring app, and then she's either going to scan the QR code off of here, and like I said, this is the quick start guide here. It's got the same QR code to use. So Dawn's going to download the Ring app now.
Okay, so they sent an email to my email account. Okay. Verifying. Thank you for verifying your email. You can now access your account. Where would you like to set up your video doorbell to? Yes, that address. Give your doorbell a name. Front door. Has your door been installed? It's been installed. Did you install the included Pro Power Kit? Oh, yes. That's the little doorbell thingy. Do we have a mechanical or a digital? Mechanical, right? So now it's asking for my Wi-Fi password, and I would assume that once I put that in, we'll be good to go. Okay. So I don't know if y'all can see this because the sunlight is out, but it's there's a white light spinning here, and the app is telling me to make sure that it's spinning, and if it is spinning white, to go on to the next step. Ring will use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to the device. Connect.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
Wow.
Scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Ring doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day. Your Ring doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
Says your Ring device can capture a continuous series of images to show you what happens between detected events. You can swipe through these images like a time lapse in your timeline. Snapshot capture requires a Ring Protect subscription, which we need to look into. Okay, it says your doorbell is now set up and ready to protect you. Very good. I think we're set to go.
All right, so Dawn is finalizing the Ring doorbell app and everything. We've done everything that we need here, so the only thing that's left to do is to put this cover on. Make sure that you do it so that you can read Ring correctly. And it literally just slides right on. And then there's a screw that it comes with, a set screw. And they also send a specific screwdriver with it. And it's basically to lock that in place so that no one can remove the faceplate. All right, and that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But that's it for now, guys, and we will see you on the next one.